All right, so this is kind of exciting. This is, I wouldn't say this is a test of this camera so much, but I am using the ultra wide angle camera on this phone, or it's ultra wide angle lens on this phone's camera system, uh, and this should be 4K. I think I'm recording in 4K, of course. Um, so you should be able to see all my face in here pretty easily, I think, actually. But yeah, so this is my little setup here, my little tech setup. Um, got a Zen pad right here. Not that you guys know what that is or anything, but the Asus Zen pad. And what was I gonna say? Okay, so yeah, we got an Acer Aspire E15 something. Got my Logitech Bluetooth wireless mouse that I love to have an actual mouse and not just use a trackpad. I really like my mouse. My mouses. I believe it's mouses when you're talking about these. So I got my two little decent speakers here, pretty cheap from Amazon. Got my Bluetooth and wired, both over ear, fully over ear. It's definitely blocks out some sound. Fully over ear MPOW headphones, and I'd never heard of them until a friend said that this is what they had, and I figured I'd give it a shot. Relatively cheap, and they seem to have pretty good quality sound, and yeah, they're wired and Bluetooth, so I thought that was pretty cool. So I like those, but they do hurt my head after a while wearing them, and my ears a little bit, but that happens. And then over here we have some malfunctional cords actually. Whether I don't think they both completely don't work, but there's something wrong with like both of these in some way, shape, or form. So yeah, so they can probably be maybe disposed of, but I don't know why I'm holding onto them, but yeah, they're yeah, I don't really use them now. I got plenty of other cords, but yeah, so they're right here right now, and then right here, this is kind of funny, but this is a Nook HD Plus that I got right here. I don't know if you guys have even ever heard of a Nook, but it was a Barnes & Noble thing. It might still be. I don't even know. But it's an HD screened like 8-inch tablet. 8 inches? Or is it 10 inches? It's like 8.5 inches or something, or 9. Tablet. It's from like 2012 or something now. It's been a while. 2011? I don't know. It's pretty slow by today's standards, but it still works. You can still play some Red Ball 4, and you know, it doesn't have the latest version of Android, not even close. It's running like Android like 4.0.0 or some whatever, I don't know. So something, it's slow, but it works. You can still login required. I think you can still read some books, buy some books and watch or read them on here, since that's really what device was designed for in the first place. Though of course you can get other apps and stuff, so it was kind of a multi-purpose, which is what tablets really are in the first place. But this sort of Nook going out of their way from just a black and white book reader that they started with to something with a bunch of colors, with a color screen and an HD screen, so more high definition, and then you can get Angry Birds and stuff on here. And so I used to play that on here before I got a phone and whatnot. So yeah, this was kind of cool back in the day. You can still do some stuff on it, though it's not worth much, and I don't know what all I can actually do on it still. I've tried doing some stuff. I got all the pictures off and stuff, so if I reset it, we won't lose anything. But there's not actually a camera on here. Those pictures are imported from places, so you can't do much with it anymore. I personally don't really read books, so so with that, it's not really it doesn't really do much for me personally, and nobody else in my family, I think. So no one's used it in a while, and the other thing is that the battery is like really messed up. Like it's fine right now. I don't know, it's like at 85, 6% maybe, but sometimes it doesn't like turn on, or it turns on, but then immediately shuts off, and you have to plug it in to be able to use it. It's just, it's pretty messed up. It's inconsistent. I don't know what's wrong. Whether it's a loose connection or something in the software causing it to do that, but yeah. So that's that. And then I got my USB-C cable right here that I can use to plug in with my phone when I have it sitting here and need some more juice. And then this Asus ZenPad 10, I believe, also comes equipped with a USB-C port, so it's nice to be able to have that handy, and with the cord behind the desk and out of the way. That's really nice to have, and it's plugged in over here. It's pretty long cord, Amazon basic cord, so relatively cheap, but it works. And yeah, so that's about it. This is 6 minutes. Yeah, we've been going. Sorry, we've been going for like a little over 6 minutes now in 4K from the ultra wide angle lens. And I also I did get something in the mail today from Amazon, so we're gonna tear this open and see what it is. So I guess it's kind of a little unboxing, or actually, ah crap, that didn't work. I'm supposed to tear this. I was supposed to, that, yeah, that. It's supposed to be really easy to rip off, but I ripped the whole flipping thing, but whatever. That's fine. It's not like I'm gonna recycle this or send it back or something. Wow. Well, I'll be darned. So this is a fast charging brick with adaptive fast charging brick for Samsungs and stuff, and it looks pretty dang close to the original brick and cord, which is, this is the cord, the malfunctional, one of the malfunctional cords was the original charging cord from my S8, and so this USB-C, which is what that is, would charge this, but then it would charge my phone. It's supposed to, it has fast charging, as you can read on there, adaptive fast charging, which is what the Samsung ones say, the Samsung branded ones say. This is a Trapid mobile accessory. It's a Trapid branded product, but it feels relatively solid. I mean, I haven't opened it, but it feels kind of quality. But we'd have to test that out. We'd have to charge something and see if it gets really warm, or if it works the same as the original charger with the newest Samsung phones comes with, because that's what it's supposed to be copying here. And yeah, so hopefully that works like it's supposed to. It's black colored. It's Type C. It's made in China, of course. I'll get this packaging out of the way. Over, yeah, there. Gotta eat my pie yet. How long are we going? 8:47. Okay, so I don't think I really have anything else for this video. So actually, I will say I haven't decided if I'm gonna give this away to somebody. Probably won't do another giveaway for this, but some of you guys probably have USB-C phones by now, so maybe I could do that. But I don't know if I'm keeping this yet, or if I'll include it with something else that I'm going to be selling that uses USB-C, or if I'm going to just give it to a friend or something that could use it. I'm not sure yet. I might want to see if it actually works like it's supposed to first, since it was only like $10 or something. Seems kind of sketchy, but at the same time, it might be exactly what they say it is, so it's hard to tell. Oh, we got a little bag. We got a bag. I can't talk still. We have a bag inside of a bag. I just now noticed that, actually. Oh, so just the adaptive brick is in the bag. and then yeah, something about recycling and pets. Yeah, so that's that. So I could update you guys later on what I decide to do with that. Not that you guys care, but I could do that. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but this is also really exciting. I actually was trying to make this video go longer than 10 minutes, which is why I just said that stuff that I did about this. But I was trying to make it go longer than 10 minutes because on the last one I had, the S9, you couldn't record more than 10 minutes of 4K video, and we've recorded more than 10 minutes of 4K video on this S10. So yeah, that's really cool. This new processor can handle that, the faster internal memory that it supposedly has. I think it can handle that, and I got plenty of storage on the phone still. I don't have it filled up with a bunch of other videos and photos yet, so we're at 11 minutes something, and you guys probably haven't even watched to the end, or you're really annoyed by how long I've gone, or you're really bored, or something like that. And I understand that. But if you did watch to the end, thank you very much. And yeah, I mean, yeah, I like the fact that I can now record like however it appears to be, however long I want in 4K before the battery dies on the phone, or before I run out of space on the phone. I'll feel how warm it is. Wow, this phone actually like isn't warm from doing this. This is really cool, guys. But yeah, so I will say the usual now. If you watched to the end, thank you very much. If you started in the middle and watched the end, thank you too. So that was, anyways. But yeah, make sure you subscribe. It's red. The button's red, I think, on most devices or whatever. Actually, you can see right there. Click the subscribe button. Apple Explain. Okay, I'll subscribe to them. And then click this notification icon right next to the subscribe button. Make sure you get notified of my latest vids, or vid. Yeah, but yeah, make sure you do that. And then if you have any ideas for a video that I should make, or videos that I should make, drop me a comment, or DM me, or just shoot me a message on anything that you have or want to use to message me, and then I'll try to get those to come to life. And also, of course, if you guys want to be in a video, I've still been in these videos by myself the last however many videos. So I've been by myself in these videos. I don't know if that came out right, but yeah. So thank you guys again, and I hope you like this. I hope you check out some of the other videos on the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Whoops. Yeah, peace out.